kuringana na riboti iria irekereirio ni bengi nene. Uteti mukiruku wa mwaka wa 2017 ni uthingithitio uthii wa nambere kuri bururi na kiwonjoria, undu uria wacungiriirie ciringi ya Kenya kugwa thiini wa thogori ya ucenjania wa mbeca. No ona thengia wa ihinda inene ria urugarĩ ria kiuteti, ng'aragu nene iria iracungĩrĩirio ni wagi wa mbura hamwe na ithagathago itiganĩte ni mamwe ma maria maracungĩrĩirie igũtha inene kuri bururi. No ona kuhana oro uguo, ciringi ya Kenya no ithiĩte na mbere na gwĩtira urugarĩ wa ndora.
At the same time, we have had very strong investor confidence. We were talking, DG and I were talking to some representatives of, let's say, diplomatic corps. This diplomat said, and I quote, they are seeing unprecedented interest from their investors in Kenya.
Oho ndeto njega mwaka uyu ni ati utonga wa bururi ni urarongorerio kwiyukiriria na njira nene ugitanywo gukura na gicunji gia 6.2 harĩ igana.
Let's say the direct flights to the US, which will be happening from October, late October, towards the end of October. And you can see this as pushing up tourism, meaning arrivals from the US. You can also see it pushing up exports, flower exports, my favorite example. So all those were not really fully incorporated in the number that I talked about, the 6.2.
Oho Njoroge niongereirie ati githagathago kiria gikoretwo kuo bengi-ini ya Chase Bank kirorete guthira riu ni amu bengi nene inyitanĩire na bengi iria igukorwo ikigiukia uramati wa bengi ya Chase Bank niyo SBM Holdings aria morirwo ni mbeca ciao bengi-ini ya Chase Bank gukorwo makihingũrĩrwo akaunti njerũ iria kumahotithia gukorwo magicokerio muigana wa gicunji kia 75 harĩ igana kia mbeca ciao.
I mean, we are operationalizing the transfers that I mentioned of depositors accounts so that we can pay them in a matter of weeks.
Haduini ha Kameme TV wonjoria zaguo jenga wa wabui.